In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT as your travel buddy. If you're planning a trip and want quick help organizing ideas, building an itinerary, and staying within budget, ChatGPT can be a really useful tool. It works especially well when you give it a clear prompt with the kind of details you want included. In this example, we're using it to plan a 7-day trip to Japan for a first-time visitor with a $2,000 budget. To get started, open ChatGPT and create your prompt. The prompt you'll enter is, plan a 7-day trip to Japan for a first-time visitor with a $2,000 budget. Include daily activities, transportation, food recommendations, and estimated costs. This is a strong prompt because it gives the AI a destination, a trip length, a budget, and specific categories to cover. The more clearly you explain what you need, the more useful and organized the response will usually be. As you type, make sure your prompt includes all the key details that matter to you. In this case, the request is focused on daily planning, travel logistics, places to eat, and expected expenses. That makes it easier for ChatGPT to generate something practical instead of something too broad or generic. If you're following along, this is the exact text you can use to test the feature and see how it handles travel planning. Once your prompt is ready, click on Submit. This sends your request to ChatGPT so it can generate your travel plan. After submitting, give it a moment to process the information. The response will usually appear as a full itinerary style answer, and it may break things down day by day to make everything easier to read. Next, review the results. This is where you'll see the travel plan ChatGPT creates based on your prompt. Look through the suggested daily activities, transportation ideas, food recommendations, and estimated costs. Pay attention to how the response organizes the trip, because that structure can help you quickly evaluate whether the plan matches your travel style and budget. As you read the results, remember that this is a starting point for your planning. ChatGPT can save time by pulling together a rough itinerary in seconds, which is especially helpful if you're not sure where to begin. You can use the response to compare options, gather ideas, and build a clearer picture of what your trip could look like. That's how to use ChatGPT as your travel buddy to create a simple, budget-conscious travel plan in just a few steps.